Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add subtitles in VLC Media Player. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer and play the video you want to add the subtitles to. Click on the subtitles and click on Add Subtitle File. And just click on the subtitle file and click on Open. And as you can see, the subtitle track has been added. So when I play the video, you will see the subtitle track has already been added. And if you are viewing movies, just go to View and go to VLSub and just search it. And you will see the available online subtitle files. And just click on the files, and you will be able to view with subtitles added. And that's it. We just learned how to add and control subtitle files in VLC Media Player for video playback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.